Welcome back. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on News X. A special court is likely to announce the quantum of punishment to former MP and suspended JDS leader Prajwal Revanna in a rape case. The special court for MPs MLAs judge Santosh Gajanan Bhatt had convicted the 34-year-old Prajwal in one of the 4 sexual abuse and rape cases registered against him. The case pertains to a 48-year-old woman who was working as a help at the family's Ganikada farmhouse in Hassan district of Holenarashipura. She was allegedly raped twice at the Hassan farmhouse and Bengaluru residence in 2021, and the act was recorded by the accused on his mobile phone. We are moments away from the announcement regarding the quantum of sentence of convict Prajwal Revanna. Belly Thomas is joining us from outside the Bengaluru court. Belly, what time is the sentencing of Prajwal Revanna expected?
Uday, the quantum of punishment would be declared by the judge in a few minutes from now. The court hall is full. The judge is yet to arrive. What final update is, and it was initially told that the court would, after adjournment, the court would resume at around 2:45. But as of now, it is a fully filled court hall, and everybody is waiting for the judge to arrive, and then there will be the quantum of the sentence would be declared by the judge, is what we hear as of now with that.
Right. Just take us through the conviction of him that already has taken place. What did the judge say in the order, Belly?
Before this, adjournment, there was, submissions made by the prosecutors, both Ashok Naik and Jagdisha, who requested the court that this expelled MP, Prajwal Revanna, should be given the highest punishment, the maximum punishment, that is life imprisonment, is what they've said. Holding a position of an MP, he has stooped down to such a level that he had sexually assaulted a domestic help who was working at his farmhouse, and not only once but twice. One in the Ganikada farmhouse, and the other time, the other instance at the Bengaluru house as well. So this is what we gather, and the counsel again stated that it was not only a physical sexual assault, but it was an assault on her mindset. And since he was an MP, he knows very well the law about the laws of the land. And then he also went on to record the entire thing on his mobile phone also. And so this was all again brought back again judges noticed by the prosecutors, who said that the victim has also attempted to die by suicide after her videos were found leaked public. So this was again was caused by a mighty person in power, and here again, this was not only the charges that were on Prajwal Revanna. There were other charges such as kidnapping, criminal intimidation, and sexual harassment as well. So having said all these, the prosecutors, both the prosecutors requested the court that they declare the quantum of punishment, the maximum, that is life imprisonment, so that this case would be an example for other people in power not to exploit the weaker sections, is what we gather. And after the submissions, after the arguments of the prosecutors were recorded by the court, it was Prajwal's turn that he was asked by the court to give his submissions, wherein he broke down and he started weeping, and he told the sobbing to the judge. What he said was he was a meritorious student, and why would when he was an MP there was no such complaint against him, and these complaints comes just after just before the elections, the 2024 Lok Sabha elections was announced, and this case is politically motivated, and the police has done their job. He doesn't blame the media, and he accepts the court's order, but this case is 100% politically motivated, and there is all these complainants who have come now have been, there is a conspiracy against them, is what what he said.
Conspiracy against him is what he said. And later on, after this submission was made, the counsel for the accused, Maya Gowda, who also said that, Prajwal Revanna will have not come to politics for money. He just came and using the political stature, the quantum of punishment should not be ordered, and besides, the victim was never ostracized from the society. She was living with her husband and children without getting ostracized in the society. Whereas it was Prajwal Revanna who had to suffer, and because of this politically motivated case is what her counsel told the court. And meanwhile, the prosecution side again intervened and said that a woman, defense advocate shouldn't be telling like this, and there was a kind of argument between the prosecution and the defense there, and after that the court was adjourned to 2:45, where the quantum of the sentence would be announced, Uday.